Alright, Year 7, this is our very last lesson on algebra. It's called Tables and Rules, and it's leading up to one of the hardest things you would have to do in Year 7 algebra. So you need to pay attention to the second part of this at least. Now, let's go through example 1. Example 1 is very, very easy. Okay, what we have here is we have a rule where we want to find an output number given this input rule. And this input rule is input number minus 2. So all we want to do is to fill in the boxes in the table. So for every input number, we're going to put it into our little formula here and work out what our output number is. So first one is 3. So 3 take away 2 is 1. 5 take away 2 is 3. 7 take away 2 is 5. 12 take away 2 is 10, and 20 take away 2 is 18. Nice and easy. Next rule is a little bit more complicated. Alright, so example 2 is a lot harder. Example 2 says find the rule for each of the tables of values. So we have to find the actual rule based on the numbers that they're giving us. So here our input numbers are 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So they're in order, okay? And our output numbers are 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now there's a couple of strategies we need to look at to see how we work out our output rule. In this first set of boxes, I want you to focus on the difference between the input and the output numbers. So we've got 3 and 12, 4 and 13, 5 and 14, 6 and 15, 7 and 16. And you can see that the difference between them is a 9. Okay, 3 plus 9 is 12, 4 plus 9 is 13, 5 plus 9 is 14, and so on. So our rule here is simply going to be output will equal our input number plus 9. Okay, so if we put our input numbers into here, 3 plus 9 is 12, 4 plus 9 is 13, and so on. Okay, now let's look at B. B is slightly different. This time I want you to focus on the difference between the outputs this way. Okay, and you can see that the pattern is it goes up by 7s each time. Alright, so if you see this, 1 times 7 is 7, 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 7 is 21, 4 times 7 is 28, and so on. So this time our output will be 7 times our input. Now, I can tell you that some of these questions that we're going to do are a lot harder than this, so I need you to concentrate very well, very hard on what you're about to do.